Good evening to Ed, our president, and to all my fellow Canadians. I say good evening. Canada is my country of adoption, my second country. So it's really good to talk to all my fellow Canadians this afternoon. Thank you very much. Sam and your team, thanks a lot. Let me begin by saying to you something I said to our staff in Florida and the American people. And I'm saying the same thing to you this afternoon. More than us in Haiti, you have been affected by COVID-19. Your hands are full with your own problems. Nevertheless, you take time to care for us in Haiti. You take time to work on our behalf. You take time to give us ways and means to survive. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank you very much for that. This is a true expression of love. You are suffering, but you do care for the others. Thank you very much. And also, I would like to take a few seconds to say thank you to Ms. Laura McCain for her contributions to our work in Haiti. So far, she has helped us to build the 2 villages in Bézin and in Serra Muscat. In those places, people were living in poor conditions. Through her donations, we wanted to build 2 villages with wells and farming and all the activities for the people in those villages. So I said thank you to Laura McCain for her donation. Also, a word of thanks to Mr. Alan Quesnel and Mr. Brent and Mrs. Alice Burton for the commitment to helping us building 130 homes in Dirac, in the northeastern part of Haiti. So, Mr. Burton, thank you very much. And take our thanks to your wife, Mrs. Alice Burton. Today, exactly today, there are 74 cases of COVID-19 confirmed in Haiti. 74. And 6 of them died. But as we speak now, 4.6 million of Haitians live in food insecurity. Just 2 days ago, there was a demonstration in one part of the country. One lady was shouting. She doesn't care about dying of hunger or COVID. She's out to demonstrate because she has nothing to eat. This is a country in which we are working and living now in Haiti. Since March 19, the government declared sanitary state of emergency. And then everything in terms of work, the schools are closed. The children used to go to school and where there are some feeding programs, they are at home. The factories were closed until last Monday, 1/3 of them reopened. The farmers stopped going to do their farms. So nothing is really working in Haiti. At the same time, people should eat. We are getting more and more requests for our office here in Haiti. People are coming day after day to get food. Just to give you an example, we have a feeding program where we feed 900 families every day, plus patients in 3 hospitals in the neighborhood and children from 2 schools. We had to stop cooking for them and to provide them with dry food to go home. There's also a nutritional center where we are feeding children who are malnourished, under malnutrition, breastfeeding mothers with the same condition, and pregnant women, the same condition, 1,021 of them. The only way for now is to continue to give them dry food. And more people are coming. We don't really know how to deal with that. What we are witnessing in Haiti now, it's a deadly combination of COVID-19 and shortage of food. We are calling upon you, brothers and sisters from Canada, to help us, to whatever we can give in terms of food, to make sure that we can save lives of so many. It's heartbreaking to see those children, those mothers begging for food everywhere. In Canada, like in the States, there's a healthcare system that can help. But in Haiti, this medical system cannot help with that pandemic. People are turning to the churches for everything. And what is helping in our situation is Food for the Poor Haiti. In terms of food distribution, we are using a network of churches. All the churches combined, Roman Catholic Church, Episcopal, Anglican Church, Protestant churches, they are all involved. We have 10 distribution centers across the country, plus 2 main houses, one in Port-au-Prince, one in Caracol in the Northeast. It is through that network that we are able to distribute food to all over the country. And we are serving families, churches, the schools when they are in operation, the prisons, home for elderly people, orphanages. As we speak, we have the larger food distribution in the country. And at this moment, more than ever, we need your help to feed those people who otherwise will die of hunger. As I said to you, COVID-19 and food shortage represent a deadly combination. It's tough, but we are convinced that God will give us means to accompany them. And as I say that, I know Food for the Poor Canada has been there helping us for years. And I'm encouraged to continue to do it through your generous donations. Please help us. As I said, COVID-19 and food shortage, lack of food and COVID-19 represent a deadly combination for our people in Haiti. That's all I can say for now.